Welcome to Organization Basics. Let's start by going over the definition of a registered student organization. A registered student organization is a group of enrolled students gathered together for a common purpose. Membership for RSOs is limited to UH students, faculty, staff, and alumni, and officer positions are limited to UH students. Only 3 students are needed to start and maintain an organization. Now, let's talk about your relationship to the University of Houston. As a registered student organization, you are not considered part of the University of Houston. This means that you are not covered by the university's insurance. You may purchase separate insurance if necessary. Your organization is also not tax exempt. To receive an exemption, you must apply for federal tax exempt status through the IRS. Finally, your organization is not allowed to use the UH or UH system logos in your marketing designs without permission. If you would like to use a UH logo, please submit to branding@uh.edu for approval. RSOs are not allowed to use the University of Houston or an abbreviation of the name of the University of Houston as part of their name, except to designate location or chapter. For example, you may not name your organization the University of Houston Kayak Club. You may, however, call your organization the Kayak Club at the University of Houston. Next, we'll discuss your organization's constitution and bylaws. A constitution is the basic framework of an organization. It should state the general operating procedures and policies of a group, which are not subject to change frequently. The bylaws should contain a more detailed method of doing business, as well as specific rules for the organization. There are many elements that should be included in your organization's constitution. A sample constitution can be found on the RSO Resource Guide page of the Center for Student Involvement website. The University of Houston non-discrimination and anti-hazing clauses must be included word for word in the constitution of every registered student organization. These clauses can be found on the UH Center for Student Involvement website at uh.edu/csi/organization registration. Last, let's go over the role and requirements for organization advisors. The Center for Student Involvement believes that, as educators, advisors guide and support students through a learning and development process. Therefore, student organizations should primarily be managed and run by its members and officers. This includes, but is not limited to, decisions regarding the goals of the organization, events or programs sponsored by the group, or how finances are allocated. The Student Organization Advisor is mainly responsible for providing guidance for the organization. They should intervene only to prevent the violation of UH policy or the Student Code of Conduct. The requirements for an organization advisor are as follows. The individual must be classified as either a faculty or staff member per UH Human Resources. The advisor must complete the State of Texas mandated risk management education. This will only need to be completed once for the duration of serving as an advisor for any UH RSO. The advisor must complete the Acknowledgement of Registered Student Organization Advisor Expectations form, which is included in your Get Involved application. The advisor will also be responsible for signing any UH forms for services and benefits that may require advisor signature authorization. That's it for Organization Basics. Thanks for joining us, and please let us know if you have any questions.